Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Fanktoo 2025 upgraded, wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 2025 upgraded HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver kit supports 2 frequency for 2.4 and 5.8 GHz, uses built-in advanced dual-frequency chip transmission standard technology that let the transmission efficiency faster and more stable. The transmission range is up to 165 feet or 50 meter, in an open place. If there is wall barrier, the distance may be less than 50 meter. No need any app, no software or Wi-Fi connection required. You only need to connect our transmitter to the HDMI input device, then connect the receiver to the HD TV, projector, monitor display, connect the power supply, then you can enjoy your project on a big screen. Supports up to 4K at 30 Hz HDMI input video resolution, and the receiver support HDMI output up to 1080p at 60 Hz, which making the picture more clearly. You can enjoy clear and vibrant images on a large screen. Compatible with most HDMI output devices, such as laptops, PCs, Blu-ray players, HD digital video cameras, DVDs, DSLRs, set-top boxes, satellite boxes, projector, PS4, PS5 and more. Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is small in size and easy to carry, which solves the problems of traditional HDMI cables and wiring connection. Only 0.1 second low latency, almost real time. You can effortlessly stream any video and audio content to a larger screen. Best for watching movies, live sports, multimedia education, business meetings, and home entertainment. Supports 2 display modes: copy mode and extended mode. Copy mode, display the same images; extended mode, display different images, that offering a versatile, multifunctional experience. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.